Hi viewers, welcome to channel. How to fix this site can't be reached. Press window button in keyboard, type control panel in search bar. Click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, Ethernet and Properties. Uncheck IPv6 network. Now it's not working. Look below in corner, Internet access not working. Click on Ethernet again. Click on Properties. Check again. Select IPv4, click on Property. Click on Obtain an IP address automatically. Click on and close all. Now Internet is working. Let's try web browser is working or not. You can clear browse history if not working, but now it's working Internet. Thanks for watching.